Get ready to be financially successful. At the moment, XRP is having a big rise in value. It could go up to a price range of $1,650 to $2,900. By the end of 2024, this will mean something more than just empty words. The upcoming launch of an XRP exchange-traded fund is a major event that led to this decision. The big financial company that previously showed a Bitcoin ETF that could make money is now focused on XRP. They have an amazing track record. Almost every ETF plan they've sent in has been approved. BlackRock's move into XRP is a big deal, but there's more. It's not all BlackRock. In addition to making stirs, Grayscale is adding XRP to its list of cryptocurrencies and suggesting an XRP exchange-traded fund ETF. Like this, XRP and Ripple Labs are growing more important in the world of foreign business. Let's talk quickly about BAS before getting into today's topic. I need you to do me a little favor. Press the like button right now. Subscribing will turn on that alert. To join our great group, click the bell. Let's look into the interesting world of XRP and see what's new. When you look at the data in more depth, BlackRock, which is the world leader in asset management, has a reputation for almost perfect ETF reviews. BlackRock's move into Web 3.0 and cryptocurrencies changes the way standard banks think about digital currency in a big way. BlackRock has an almost perfect track record of getting ETFs approved, which shows how well they know how to navigate the financial market. Remember that this makes them an unbeatable force in the ETF space. Big banks like JP Morgan and BlackRock have not only been looking at XRP, they've also been buying it. Documents that were stolen show that these big companies have put more than 7.5% of their entire wealth into XRP. A recent article that did a lot of research even said that BlackRock might be shifting its entire attention from Bitcoin to XRP, which would be a big change in how it invests. This action shows that more people want XRP, which makes the idea of an XRP ETF based on BlackRock more likely than ever. Something new in the XRP story. Its author is still unknown, but the fact that it exists is a very important step toward an ETF. Reports say that the XRP ETP is still in the pre-release process. Even though it has been released, it has a value of 0. There are also more stories going around. Rumors are circulating about the simultaneous release of an XRP ETF coinciding with this parallel release not only makes sense, but also shows the quick progress toward the ETF, which could come just weeks after the launch of a Bitcoin ETF. Bitcoin's price rose to $43,000 before its ETF even came out, so XRP has a huge amount of potential. Let's talk about a possible huge rise in XRP's value that could happen once its ETF goes live, okay? Don't forget that the XRP ETP has already started. This situation isn't as crazy as it might look. Many people didn't know that Vittel, a giant in the financial world, publicly released the XRP exchange-traded product. This made it possible for an XRP ETF to happen in just a few weeks. This means that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission will soon give its approval for the start of an XRP ETF, which is only a few weeks away. Yesterday, we talked about a recent story that said an XRP ETF might be coming soon because of a BlackRock report that got out. This leak hinted at an upcoming XRP ETF filing, and to make things even more exciting, a top BlackRock expert confirmed in public that a BlackRock ETF would be launched. They even talked about the iShares XRP Trust in connection with an ETF filing that made people doubt XRP at first. Like I said, I checked this and sure enough, it's there. This big change in the game shows how close we are to seeing a seismic shift in XRP's market position, possibly even bigger than the changes we've seen with Bitcoin's ETF. New study on the Delaware List of Corporations website shows an important change in the world of cryptocurrencies. BlackRock and JP Morgan have both bought more than 7.5 million XRP, which shows that big institutions are involved when it comes to Bitcoin. BlackRock is the leader. They are not only holding on to XRP, but they are also using the XRP ledger in their business, and most importantly, they are working for an XRP ETF to be made available to the public. The XRP ETF has a better chance of getting approved because BlackRock has almost always approved ETFs. There is a lot of green light. It's impossible to overstate how much an XRP ETF will change its value, which is why $983,000. All of them are building their central bank digital currencies on top of the XRP ledger. The Republic of Palau is even building the XRP ledger into their own system. Recently, there's been a lot of talk about how this is a classic case of high production and high demand, and a small quantity, which makes sense since the value of each XRP token should go through the roof. Is this how some people see how optimistic I am? If they say that XRP is just a dream, they might have a point. But let me argue against that. I really think that we should welcome this optimism. I'm going to take a deep breath, light it, and roll it up into a big ball. That's some pretty strong stuff, I really think that. I'm sure that hope can save your life, especially when things are hard and you're fighting to hold on. It's all wishful thought if you don't believe in hope, which is fine, but I don't see that as a problem. No matter what, let's lift each other up. We're here to stay, so anything. Less seems like throwing tokens into thin air, which is not what we're about. I'm optimistic, and since we're talking about optimism, I'm loving all of your interesting conversations and opinions that make me think. Your ideas are really interesting. A thought-provoking idea made people worry about XRP and organizations. They don't always need to buy it. At the moment, you can lease. It's pretty interesting, isn't it? I was interested in what would happen if only regular buyers bought XRP. I learned more about this subject and even contacted GPT through chat. I asked how many trades are handled by the SWIFT system every day. More than $1 trillion was the amazing answer. Remember that this only talks about foreign trade. It doesn't cover the derivatives market, which is worth quadrillions, smart contracts, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or tokenized assets like real estate that are already out there. Think about how XRP could be used in all of these areas, but let's just pick a few. SWIFT only does business with other countries in the same area. What SWIFT does is work with $7 trillion cut down to less than half of that amount. Let's think about what might happen if XRP had 1,700 links. Yes, XRP and Ripple have raised the stakes. Every day, if we only took care of $3 trillion of it, the system would have to keep that much money in it. Because XRP has such a large network, it seems likely that some of these links will invest in it. In this case, the value of XRP could rise to more than $150 per token on that day. For more information, please look at what we talked about before. There are times when groups choose to rent instead of buy, and values may go above $150. Values may go above $150 once the system is up and running. This is especially true if XRP controls even half of this market and all of the bank deals we're talking about. Take your time, because each coin is worth more than $100. This thought will help you relax. While you're drinking something adult, you might want to think about what this hopium idea could mean. Keep in mind that I am not a certified financial advisor, but the world is very interesting and full of great possibilities. I tell viewers to do study and talk to experts before making any financial decisions. The material in these movies is only meant to be entertaining. Thanks a lot if you liked the movie. Look at it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up after you join. Make sure that the alerts are turned on. If I add new information, you will be notified right away. It will be great to see you in the next show. Be careful.